In today's video, I'm going to be taking a look at Evgoer's RS11 electric air duster. I live on the edge of town and have a gravel driveway, and that leads to a lot of dust getting into my house. And as a result, I have to clean out my computer and my kids' computers frequently. So when Evgoer asked me if I wanted to test their RS11 electric air duster, I was happy to accept. The RS11 is a cordless handheld air duster that comes with 3 batteries that total a 10,000 mAh power rating. This larger battery allows for longer usage times when compared to other similarly priced electric air dusters. Of course, that also makes it a bit heavier than competing products, but the triangular shaped handle makes it easy to hold. And while other electric dusters opt for plastic casings, the RS11 uses an aluminum alloy body that makes it very durable and helps it offer improved heat resistance. Evgoer says that their air duster can operate at speeds of up to 180,000 RPMs, which will generate wind speeds of up to 53 meters per second, or 118 miles per hour. That seems pretty powerful for such a small device. This electric duster comes with a bunch of different attachments, tools, and accessories, including a carrying bag, 3 different blower attachments, 3 brushes to help clean your devices, a keycap puller for removing keyboard keys, and a 3-foot-long USB-C to USB-C charging cable. While I wanted to start using the RS11 right away to clean my keyboard and dust out some of my computers, Evgoer recommended that I let the device charge all the way to full first to ensure it operates at full capacity. Fortunately, the RS11 has a quick charge time and can charge from completely dead to full in under 2 hours. After letting the device charge, I was ready to start dusting. My Corsair K100 mechanical keyboard is a bit dusty, so I wanted to start by cleaning it off. First, I'll use the RS11 on the keyboard with the keys still on to see how much of it I can get off. This got the majority of the dust off. There's still some caked on and still some underneath though, so I'll need to pull the keys off to do a more thorough job. I lost the keycap holder that came with my Corsair keyboard, but fortunately, and again, Evgoer has included one with the RS11. It's a bit hard to see, but some of the dust is still stuck on the keyboard and can't be blown off, so I'll use the provided brushes to loosen it up. The RS11 operates at 3 speeds, and you turn it on by holding down the button for a couple of seconds. Then to speed it up to the second level, you just click it once, and then of course you click it again to get to the 3rd level. At the 3rd level, where it hits that 180,000 RPMs and 53 meters per second wind speed, you can really feel the force in this thing. Your hand will literally kick back if you don't have a tight grip on it. Now let's try and dust out a couple of computers and see how well it does. Very impressive. This is far better than using a can of compressed air, both in terms of effectiveness and in safety to your electrical components. Thanks to the RS11's lightweight, handheld, and cordless design, it's very convenient to use as well. In fact, due to its ease of use, you could use this device for a lot of other applications outside of just cleaning your PC and electronic devices. You could clean out windowsills, air conditioning vents, use it to help in car detailing, blowing up inflatable items like beach balls and kids' swimming pools, and any general light outdoor dusting and blowing. Ultimately though, if you're looking for a convenient way to clean out your PC and clean off your PC accessories, the RS11 is a great tool you can use to do so. I'll 100% be using it to clean my PCs and accessories going forward. Evgoer is currently running a special promotion on Amazon for the RS11 and has upcoming lightning deals planned for the product as well. On Amazon, you can currently get the RS11 for $49.99, and if you use the code LSDFVU4M, you can get an additional 10% off too. That code will also get you 30% off your order if you want to buy the RS11 directly from Evgoer's website. That code is good for a month from the time this video is released. I've left links to the RS11 on both Amazon and Evgoer's website in the description below, as well as included the discount code. But in any case, that does it for this review. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.